And then gliding, you started all right. You sort of just got lost a little bit with your fingering towards the end of the first line. So make sure you're playing 3 and 5, 1 and 3, then 2 and 4. All right, so if they're not written on the music, make sure they are. So starting from the beginning, just make sure your crotchets are steady in the left hand. They're a little bit fast to start with. Okay, now I'm on to the next line now. All right, and this is the little bit that we had a look at. I suggest you play these intervals to make sure that you've got them. G to E is the first one, E to F sharp, G to D, and C to G. So if we look at what intervals they are, that's 6 notes apart. That's a second. They are 5 notes apart, the other two. Okay. It's a bit like the left hand. They are intervals as well. We call those harmonic intervals because they are actually played with the 2 notes struck together. The right hand, they are intervals as well. They're called melodic intervals because they fit within a melody. So the notes follow on one after the other, but they still are a form of interval. So it's good to get to know them so you've read the pair of notes as one. Then try it together. The only thing that was wrong with the timing, it wasn't the 2 notes in the interval, it was finding the chord in the left hand. There was a bit of a delay before each chord, so we lost our first beat of the bar. So go at a speed where you can maintain your beat. So I'm going to go from the second bar in. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, and so on. All right, so it doesn't matter how slow it is as long as the beat is regular. All right, and you don't miss the beat. So that's the best way to practice that. Then moving on towards the end of the line, you've got your thumb on the D. There's a bit of discord there. And on to line 3. You've got a bit muddled with your notes here. B in the left hand, D, then you move to A. So that first bar there is B, D with a thumb, 3 on A, and then you're back to the first section of music again. Okay, I'm going to have to stop there. I might do a second video for the second half of the music.